स्टूडियो। आप सबका मेरे चैनल में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। Thank you for so much of love you have been giving to my all previous videos. Thank you so much. And now I'm going to do a video on primers. I know primer is something new to a lot of people. A lot of people were telling me that they started putting primer or they even knew about primer only after I have started my videos. So let's get started because I want to show the top 13 primers according to me, out of which 5 are not primers but they act better than primers. And these primers are quite affordable too, so something you will really enjoy. So let's get started, but before that, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe and also tap on the bell button too. Thank you so much. So let's get started. Now the first primers what I'm going to show, they are actually not primer, and one of that will actually even shock you. But these are not primers and they act really well. In fact, better than primers because they will make your makeup last for really long. And if you don't want to invest on primers, you can even invest on this and buy. And I'm sure some of this would be also at your house. So let's see. Now the first primer, which is not a primer but which still I'm going to show you, is from Aloe Vera. This is from Patanjali. This is a great primer. The only thing is you need to take very little because this has that greasy effect. If you take too much also, that will not look nice when you're putting makeup. So take very little, and this acts as a very good primer. This really gets into your skin and makes your makeup last for really long. Now my second recommendation for primer is from Patanjali again. This is the Soundarya Aloe Vera Gel. Now this is also a great primer. In fact, you can take little more than that because this doesn't have that effect as that one has. This is really good. This will really get inside your skin, fill in your pores and make your makeup last for long. So this is also a great recommendation. Now my third recommendation is something which I'm sure everybody will be having at home. This is from Lactocalamin. Yes, Lactocalamin also acts as a very good primer. Now the main ingredient in primer is glycerin. Yes, glycerin is what holds your makeup. Now, a good amount of glycerin in it, which is really good to hold your makeup for really long. So try blending it and this will give your makeup a nice canvas to work on. So definitely a great recommendation. I'm sure everybody would be having it at home. So if you don't want to invest on a primer, this is something which is really good. My fourth recommendation is from BioOil. Yes, even this acts as a very good primer. In fact, if you mix a drop of this with your foundation, it will give a very nice glow. A lot of people do it. I suggest you all to. If you don't have a good oil, I'm not talking about parachute oil or coconut, no, not that oil. The oils which you use on your face before sleeping, you put those replenishing oils and all, that oil if you mix with your foundation or concealer, that will give you a really nice glow. And if you don't have those oil, then use bio oil. This also gives a very nice glow and it makes your makeup last for really long. So bio oil is also a great recommendation. Now my fifth primer, which is actually not a primer and that will shock all of you, but it acts better than a primer. This is from Nivea Men Replenishing Aftershave Balm. This particular shave balm is actually acts as a primer very well. In fact, better than what primers do because this has good amount of glycerin in it. You can check on YouTube. You will have a million videos on this. If you want me to review it, I will separately do it. I have once used it in the morning. I think I had put it around 9 o'clock and I came back home at 10:30 and my makeup was there on place because of this. This will fill in your pores so well that your makeup will not have those patchy look. So something I would recommend, invest in this. Even if you have a good primer, try buying this because this is really good. If you see international YouTubers like Nikki Tutorial and all, they even use this because this is very good. So when I got to know about it, I was really shocked, and then when I used it, I'm like, wow. So I am telling you guys, if you want to buy a good primer, you can buy this too. Now after this, I'm going to show you primers which are actually primers. So first let's get started with the Color Bar primer. I have shown this in my beginner's makeup kit. I have used this also many times. This is a great primer. It's gel based, completely fills in your pore, giving a very nice canvas for your makeup. This is really good as it increases the longevity of your makeup. So this is something you can really go for. I recommend this for anybody because this is not an expensive primer. So this is for everyone, all skin types. Please go for this. Now my next recommendation for primer is from Lakme. This is the Lakme Absolute Blur Primer. This is also not expensive at all and a good one. The thing with this is this leaves a little white cast, but you need to blend it like have to keep blending it, but it disappears very fast into the skin and it holds your makeup for really long, but not as long as the Calabar one would do. But this is also a great primer. If you have a small party to attend, a small lunch or dinner, whatever, go for this because this will make your makeup last for 3 to 4 hours, and if you want your makeup to last only for that much time, then go for this. Now my other recommendation is also my favorite primer. This is the LA Girl primer. I love LA Girl Cosmetics. That is something I really enjoy buying. This is the LA Girl Pro Prep primer. The only thing is this is around 800 rupees for such a small tube, and this gets over fast also. It's a gel base, completely like Calabar one. You can easily blend it, completely fills in all your pores, and even if you have pigmentation anywhere around your mouth, below your eyes, whatever, this will really help to cover it. Not completely, but yeah, little. So this is really good recommendation from my side, and this is something which will hold your makeup for really long. Now my other recommendation is also what I've shown in my beginner's makeup kit. This is from L'Oreal Base Magique Primer. I love this, but this is not for people with dry skin because this has a matte finish. It will make your skin more dry, but yes, it gives a very good coverage. What happens is if you have dark circles or pigmentation around your mouth, if you try putting this in a good amount, this will really cover those pigmentation very well, and this makes your makeup last for very long, much better than most of the primers. So this is really good recommendation, but not for people with dry skin, but yes, people with oily and normal skin or combination can definitely go for this. So definitely something which I would recommend. Now my other recommendation is from Rimmel. This is the lasting finish. I love this primer. I have used this I don't know how many times. This particular primer is really good. It's waterproof. Even if you're having sweat on face, it will not be shown because this completely takes away that sweat. And one thing very good about this primer is that it completely minimizes your pores. So you don't have, there's no need to fill in the pores. It completely minimizes your pores. Good thing about it, it evens your skin tone. So suppose you have a yellow skin tone. On some of the days we do have yellow skin tone or pink skin tone, whatever, this completely evens it out. Something I would recommend to anyone who doesn't want to invest in a lot of primers, just want one primer, go for this because I love it. This makes your makeup last for really long, as it said, and it's from Rimmel, so something you can really trust. Now my other recommendation is from Maybelline. This is the Baby Skin Primer. This is available in Amazon, not everywhere else. Now I got this from US. This primer is really good. This gives a baby skin, okay? Now why this primer is called as baby skin is because it actually makes your skin really soft. You need to take very little, that's more than enough. Just dab it on your face, and when you're touching your face, you will feel like a baby skin. Definitely, because this really helps to do that. And this doesn't let your makeup last for really long. Like when I'm saying really long means 8 to 9 hours, but yes, 3 to 4 hours is something which it really covers. Also called as instant pore eraser. Yes, it does. So if you have large pores or something, if you apply, it completely erases it. So what it does is it goes and sits inside your large pores, completely fills in it, and that really helps your makeup to sit on. So something I would really recommend, and this is so smooth. It definitely gives a baby skin. It comes in one more color, that is pink. I would recommend this over pink. I've used that one too, but that really doesn't let your makeup last for long, and it also gives a pink tone to you. So if you have a deep skin tone or something, then that is something I would not recommend, but this I would recommend to all skin types. Now my other recommendation is from ELF. This is something I bought from US again, but yes, it's available on Amazon, and I'm sure very soon Nykaa will also get it. This is really nice. It's really easy to use, and that will make that is very good if you're hygienic or something. So this is very good because it has oil in it. Now this gives a very glowy finish. Now it's very easy to blend, and the reason I'm still blending is because I'm really finding my hand very smooth. It's making my skin extremely smooth. Now this I would recommend to people who have dry skin because it will hydrate your skin really well. Because when I'm saying this has oil, it has oil which is not shown actually. You will not see it because when you're putting your makeup, it will really take the makeup well, so it will not be shown. But it's a very good primer. You must go for it. Invest if you are looking for one primer, then you can invest on this too. I love ELF products, so something I would really recommend. Now my last primer is from Natio. This is the Natio Pure Mineral Face Primer. This is a small bottle, really expensive. This costs around 1,100 or something. Very small bottle. This is 30 ml, but it gets over very fast, and this has a white finish also. And this also leaves a white cast initially, but once you start blending it, it goes deep down inside your skin. This also makes your skin really soft and smooth, and it will make sure that your makeup is lasting for really long. It gives a really good longevity to your makeup, something I would really recommend. And it does fill in your pores, but not completely. But even then, when you apply it, on top of that, when you start putting your concealer and foundation, this gives a very good finish, and this makes your makeup last for really 10 to 12 hours, something I would really recommend. Now these were my suggestions for primers. I have chosen primers from each price category so that you can choose whatever you want. All the primers what I've shown are really good one. The first 5 primers which are not primers, they act really well, especially the aftershave balm. It is a very good primer, and even the bio oil, it will give a good glow. Lactic Alamine, the aloe vera gel, all are good. And the other primers also, they're easily available on Amazon or on Nykaa. You can have a look at it. I hope you like my video, and if you have any queries, then please comment below. I would definitely reply. Please do follow me on social media also. I will leave the links to everything on the description box. I hope you like my video. I don't know how many times I've said that. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Till